Jai Shri Gurudev. Welcome to chemistry online class. So today we are going to continue, that is chemical properties of amines. That is third property is reaction with nitrous acid. So in this reaction there are two reactions are there. Reactions with nitrous acid. Primary aliphatic amines. Primary aliphatic amines reacts with nitrous acid. Reacts with nitrous acid. Formula of nitrous acid is HNO2. Nitrous acid is prepared by heating NaCl, sodium chloride, plus sodium chloride and NaNO2 plus HCl. Primary aliphatic amines reacts with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid is prepared by treating sodium nitrate and HCl, HNO2 plus NaCl. So to give Rn2 plus Cl minus plus 2H2O. Rn2 plus Cl minus. This is diazonium salts. This is diazonium salts. So primary aliphatic amines reacts with nitrous acid. So to give diazonium salts Rn2 plus Cl minus. The diazonium salts formed, so being unstable, reacts further Rn2 plus Cl minus, reacts further to form alcohols, that is ROH plus into gas plus HCl. So this is alcohol. This is the reaction. Okay. So primary amines. So reacts with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid is prepared by treating sodium nitrate and HCl. Sodium nitrite and HCl to form diazonium salts. The diazonium salts formed, so being unstable, so reacts further to form alcohols. Example for this reaction is, you take primary amine is methylamine CH3NH2. Methylamine reacts with nitrous acid. Formed by dissolving NaNO2 and HCl to form CH3N2 plus Cl minus plus 2H2O. This is methyl diazonium chloride. To form methyl diazonium chloride. Methyl diazonium chloride formed being unstable, so reacts further to form alcohol. That alcohol is methyl alcohol with the liberation of dinitrogen gas and HCl gas. So alcohol is formed, that is methyl alcohol is formed. This is first one. Second one, primary aromatic amines. That is aniline C6H5NH2. So reacts with nitrous acid formed by dissolving sodium nitrite and HCl at a temperature of 273 to 278 Kelvin, 273 to 278 Kelvin. So form C6H5 into plus Cl minus C6H5 into plus Cl minus plus NaCl plus H2O. This is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Okay. So this is aniline reacts with nitrous acid at a temperature of 273 to 278 Kelvin to form. So benzene diazonium chloride, that is C6N5 into C6H5 into plus Cl minus benzene diazonium chloride. So this reaction is used for the synthesis of varieties of aromatic compounds. This reaction, that is benzene diazonium chloride, is used for the starting material for the synthesis of varieties of aromatic compounds. This reaction is used in the estimation of amino acids and proteins. This one, that is methylamine. So reaction nitrous acid to form methyl diazonium chloride. Methyl diazonium chloride form being unstable reacts further to form methyl alcohol. This reaction is used for the estimation of amino acids and proteins. So this reaction is used for the synthesis of varieties of aromatic compounds. So third one, last one. Secondary amines and tertiary amines reacts with nitrous acids in different manner. That is, secondary amines and tertiary amines reacts with the nitrous acids in different manner. In different manner. So that's about reaction with nitrous acids. Okay. Next reaction is reaction with aryl sulfonyl chloride. Fifth reaction, that is reaction with aryl sulfonyl chloride. Aryl sulfonyl chloride. So this reaction is very important. So for 1 mass and 2 mass, this question has already asked in the annual examination question paper. Aryl sulfonyl chloride, that is benzene sulfonyl chloride. Benzene, aryl means benzene sulfonyl chloride. Formula of benzene sulfonyl chloride is C6H5 SO2 Cl. Benzene sulfonyl chloride is called Innsberg reagent. HINS, Innsberg reagent. So in examination they have asked, what is Innsberg reagent? Innsberg reagent is nothing but benzene sulfonyl chloride is called Innsberg reagent. Benzene sulfonyl chloride is called Innsberg reagent. Okay, this is very important. Okay, in that, take first one, A. Benzene sulfonyl chloride reacts with amines, primary amines, reacts with primary and secondary amines to form sulfonamides. To form sulfonamides. Sulfonamides. So this is important. So primary amines, so reacts with primary and secondary amines, reacts with benzene sulfonyl chloride, that is Innsberg reagent, to form sulfonamides. To form sulfonamides. So this can be explained as follows. So first one you take, so benzene sulfonyl chloride. Structure of benzene sulfonyl chloride is benzene ring connected to S, double bond oxygen, connected to single bond Cl. This is Innsberg reagent. Innsberg reagent. So reacts with methylamine. Reacts with methylamine. CH3NH2. CH3NH2. Methylamine. methylamine. To give benzene ring connected to S, double bond O, connected to single bond N, connected to H, connected to single bond CH3. So H combines with Cl, SCl. H combines with Cl. The name of this compound is N-methyl. This is N-methyl benzene. This is benzene ring. Benzene. Sulfonamide. This is sulfur group. Sulfonamide. Sulfonamide. The product formula is N-methyl benzene sulfonamide. Okay. So methylamine. So second example, you take the benzene sulfonyl chloride. Benzene sulfonyl chloride reacts with ethylamine. Reacts with ethylamine. This is ethylamine. To form the product, it is benzene ring connected to S, double bond oxygen. So H combines with Cl, SCl connected to single bond N, connected to H, connected to C2H5 plus SCl. This is N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide. N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide. In this reaction, nitrogen atom is attached to hydrogen atom. In this reaction, nitrogen atom is attached to hydrogen. So both reactions. So therefore, it contains acidic hydrogen. So therefore, it is soluble in alkali. Therefore, this is soluble in alkali. This is soluble in alkali. Okay. Here the nitrogen atom is attached to hydrogen atom. Therefore, this hydrogen atom is acidic in nature. Therefore, it is soluble in alkali. Okay. So next, second one. Benzene, third one. Benzene sulfonyl chloride. So reacts with diethylamine. C2H5 NH single bond C2H5. This is so diethylamine. This is secondary amine. To form the products, so benzene ring connected to S, connected to double bond O. Here H combines with Cl, SCl. This is N connected to C2H5, connected to C2H5 plus SCl. N connected to C2H5, single bond C2H5. So this is the name of this compound is N, diethyl. N, diethyl benzene sulfonamide. N, diethyl benzene sulfonamide. Here the nitrogen atom is not connected to acidic hydrogen, that is ethyl group. Here it is ethyl group, so not hydrogen atom. Therefore, it is insoluble in alkali. This one is insoluble in alkali. This is insoluble in alkali. But so ethylamine and methylamine contains acidic hydrogen atom. Therefore, it is soluble in alkali. But in this product, that is N, diethyl benzene sulfonamide, here the nitrogen atom is not connected to acidic hydrogen. Therefore, it is insoluble in alkali. insoluble in alkali. Okay, next, tertiary amines. This is secondary amines, this is primary amines. That is 1 degree, this is 2 degree. So next, third one is tertiary amines. Do not react with benzene sulfonyl chloride. Do not react with benzene sulfonyl chloride. Do not react with benzene sulfonyl chloride. So that is about reaction with RL benzene. So that is RL sulfonyl chloride or benzene sulfonyl chloride called as Innsbruck reagent. So the product formula is sulfonamides. Here product formulas are sulfonamides. Okay. So that's about reaction with RL, that is sulfonyl chloride. So next reaction is electrophilic substitution reactions. Next, sixth one. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reaction, that is ESR. Aromatic amines, that is aniline. Aromatic amines, aniline, undergo electrophilic substitution reactions. That is aniline undergo electrophilic substitution reaction because aniline is a resonance hybrid of the following 5 structures. Because aniline undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions because aniline shows resonance hybrid of the following 5 structures, and moreover aniline shows ortho and para products. Ortho and para products. They shows ortho and para products, that is they will undergo electrophilic substitution reactions such as halogenation, bromination, nitration, sulfonation. So while carrying out all these reactions, they shows ortho and para products because the electron density is more at ortho and para position and then in meta position. Therefore, so they shows so major product as para, so as the major product in case of aniline. Okay. So resonance hybrid, I will write the resonance hybrid structure of aniline. So that is benzene ring connected to single bond NH2 containing unshaped pair of electrons. So this will shift to single bond and double bond shift to this side. This is structure 1 and structure 2 is, so there will be development of double bond NH2 positive charge, negative charge. So negative charge shifts and a double bond moves this side. This is structure 2 and in structure 3, so double bond, so NH2 positive charge, so with the formation of double bond, negative charge, double bond, so negative charge shifts, double bond moves this side and structure 3 and 4 structure is double bond, negative charge, double bond, NH2 positive charge. So negative charge shifts and double bond shifts here. This is structure 4 and in structure 5 double bond, single bond, NH2 containing unshaped pair of electrons. So therefore aniline is a resonance hybrid of the following 5 structures. This is the resonance structures. resonance structure of aniline. Okay, therefore, they shows ortho and para products because the electron density is more in ortho and para than in meta portion. Okay, so we are going to study one by one reaction. That is, first reaction is halogenation. Halogenation, in that reaction is bromination. Okay, so very important this reaction. Aniline reacts with bromine water. Aniline reacts with bromine water to form only one product, that is 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Aniline, so benzene ring, so connected to NH2. So reacts with bromine water. Reacts with bromine water. So the orange red color of bromine, so decolorizes to form the product. That the product is 2,4,6 aniline plus 3 HBr. So this is 2, 4, 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 2, 4, 6 tribromoaniline. 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. So this is important. Okay, explain. So bromination reactions of aniline. You should have to write this one. Aniline reacts with bromine water to form only one product. That is product is 2, 4, 6 tribromoaniline. 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Okay. So next is aniline reacts with acetic anhydride. So that is continuation of bromination reaction. Aniline reacts with acetic anhydride, CH3CO twice O, in presence of pyridine catalyst. In presence of pyridine catalyst to form benzene ring connected to NHCO CH3. NH C double bond O CH3. Benzene ring connected to NHCO CH3 plus acid, that is CH3COOH, acetic acid. This is acetic acid. And this one is N-phenyl. N-phenyl. So 2 carbon atoms, each type of linkages AN, CONH is amide, that is N-phenyl ethanamide. The name of that product is N-phenyl ethanamide. N-phenyl ethanamide. So popularly called as acetanolide. Popularly called as acetanolide. Another name for N-phenyl ethanamide is acetanolide. 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 This is acetanolide. NHCO CH3. So acetanolide. So formed on treating with bromine. On treating with bromine. So followed by acid hydrolysis. Followed by acid hydrolysis. So gives benzene ring connected to NH2 para position Br. So you take the Br2. So plus CH3COOH. CH3COOH H combines with Br, HBr. H combines with Br, HBr. Here HBr. So another product formed is, that is CH3COOH plus NH2. The product formed is para-bromo aniline. Para-bromo aniline as the major product. Para-bromo aniline as the major product. So IUPAC name for this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4-bromo aniline. Also called as 4-bromo aniline or para-bromo aniline. So this is about halogenation reaction. Okay, aniline reacts with bromine, water. Aniline reacts with bromine, water to form only one product, that is 2,4,6 tribromo aniline and HBr. And another one. So moreover, aniline reacts with acetic anhydride. Aniline reacts with acetic anhydride in presence of pyridine as a catalyst to form N-phenyl ethanamide, that is acetanilide and acetic acid. So acetanilide formed reacts with bromine, water. So bromine in presence followed by acid hydrolysis to give, that is a major product, that is 4-bromo aniline, or it is also called as para-bromo aniline. So para is the major product, therefore para-bromo aniline is formed. So this is about halogenation. Second reaction is nitration. Second reaction is nitration. So this is important. Aniline, so benzene ring connected to NH2. Aniline reacts with nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Aniline reacts with nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at a temperature of 288 Kelvin. At a temperature of 288 Kelvin to form three products. To form three products, that is benzene ring connected to NH2, para position nitro, and another one is benzene ring connected to NH2, meta position nitro, and another one product benzene ring so connected to NH2, ortho position nitro. This is para nitro aniline, meta nitro aniline, and third one ortho nitro aniline. Ortho nitro aniline. So take 3 moles, here it is also 3 moles plus 3 H2O plus 3 H2O. Some amount of meta nitro aniline is also formed along with ortho nitro aniline, para nitro aniline. So this is formed as a major product. This is formed as a major product. The major product is 51%, and this one is 47%, and this one is 2%. So 2% is ortho nitro aniline, meta nitro aniline is 47%, and 51% is para nitro aniline. So 51 plus 47, so 98 plus 2, 100%. So therefore, para nitro aniline is formed as the major product. So this is important. So aniline reacts with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at a temperature of 288 Kelvin to form para nitro aniline as the major products. Okay, thank you.